After logging into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, locate the GDN Google Display Network icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to dive into the latest GDN ads. On the top, you'll see the Search by options, where you can uncover ads based on specific criteria. You can filter ads by text and image, brand and image, object and image, or even celebrity and image. Next, you'll find the Filter option, which allows you to refine your search based on country, ad type, and image size. Now, let's navigate to the Lander Properties section. Here, you can search ads from the affiliate network, e-commerce platforms, funnel, and much more. At the top of your screen, you'll find the search bar. Click on it to reveal 3 powerful options for searching ads by domain, advertisers, or keywords. Here, let us search healthcare, for example. Here you can find various ads based on this keyword. Navigate to the Filter option and select image size from different size option. For instance, select 336 by 280. Here are the exact dimensions of image ad that were selected. After filtering, go to the Lander Properties and select your affiliate network. Scroll down, and you'll find multiple options to choose from various affiliate networks. See, we have received 2 results based on our keywords, and both ads include the targeted terms. Next step, then click Show Analytics. This will provide you with detailed insights about the targeted countries for your selected ads. Scrolling up will let you know about the ads' first seen, last seen, and post date. Here you can find ads' basic details and URL information. Explore and discover the relevant GDN ads tailored to your preferences.